In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space in your application, ensuring your digital workspace remains tidy and efficient. Sometimes we all create spaces that serve their purpose for a particular project or event, but once they're no longer needed, it's best to clear them out to maintain organization within your digital environment. Let's walk through this simple process together. First, you need to navigate to the specific space that you wish to delete. This step is crucial because you want to make sure you're removing the correct one. Take a moment to scroll through your list of spaces thoughtfully and click on the one that you've decided is no longer necessary. This initial step helps ensure that you're making changes to the right area of your workspace. Now, once you're in the right spot, direct your attention to the area near the space name. You'll see a handy icon that looks like three dots, typically referred to as more options in technical terms. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with several options related to managing your space. It might seem like a small detail, but these three dots are a gateway to various settings that help keep your space manageable and organized. In this drop-down menu, you'll find the option labeled Delete Space. Select this option to proceed with the deletion. This step triggers the process of removing the space from your system. It's designed to be straightforward, but it's important to remember that this action can't be undone. So before you proceed, double check that this space is the one you genuinely intend to remove. Following your selection of the Delete Space option, the system will typically prompt you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions and gives you a final opportunity to reconsider. When the confirmation message appears, take another look at the details provided to ensure accuracy. If you're certain about permanently deleting the space, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Congratulations! Once you've confirmed, the space will be officially deleted and you've effectively cleaned up your digital workspace. Keeping your work environment organized not only reduces clutter but also enhances productivity by ensuring that only active, relevant spaces remain at your fingertips. In summary, removing an unnecessary space involves selecting the correct space, accessing the More Options menu, choosing to delete it, and confirming your decision. This logical sequence ensures a clean and efficient digital workspace tailored to your current needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps keep your projects and collaborations running smoothly.